Wondering how electric vehicle batteries work? In this quick and simple video, we explain how Tesla and EV high voltage batteries store and use energy, and break down important terms like kilowatt hour, kilowatt, volts, amps, and watt hours. Whether you're an EV owner or just curious, this video will help you understand EV power and battery capacity in just 5 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful parts of any electric vehicle, the high voltage battery. If terms like kWh, kW, or volts have ever confused you, stick around. I will break it all down in simple and easy way. Let's start with the basics. An EV battery, like in a Tesla, is made up of thousands of small lithium ion cells grouped into modules and then into one big battery pack. That's the heart of your electric vehicle. It stores electrical energy and delivers power to the electric motor, which drives the wheels quietly, smoothly, and instantly. Now, here's where we break down the common terms. What is kWh? kWh stands for kilowatt hour. This is how much energy your battery can store. Think of it like your fuel tank size. A Tesla Model Y has around 60 kWh. The bigger this number, the more range you get. What is kW? kW or kilowatt is power, how fast that energy is used. Your motor might pull 200 kW when accelerating hard. It's like saying, I can burn 200 units of energy per hour. That's a lot of power. What's the difference? So remember, kWh is the energy, how much? kW is the power, how fast you use it. What are volts and amps? Think of your battery like a water system. Volts. Volts is the pressure pushing electricity through. Amps is how much electricity is flowing. Combine them and you get watts. Watts the actual power moving through the system. One cool feature in EVs is regenerative braking. When you slow down, your car turns the motor into a generator and puts energy back into the battery. It's like recharging every time you brake. And when it comes to charging, your EV charger is rated in kW. A Tesla Supercharger can deliver up to 250 kW. That's a ton of energy really fast. Let's recap. kWh is your battery size. kW is how fast energy is used or added. Volts plus amps is equal to power. And regen braking helps refill your battery while driving. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a fellow EV enthusiast, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech made simple. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, dear subscriber.